They play, take play, come. You know what time it is, man?
Baba see light. I know the US, so
Anyway,
now
what do I
Ghana.
know?
I think Ghana. Still, Ghana go see the complaint, say they fight doom, so they don't get doom, so then Baba see Nigeria for night. This is Nigeria. God. See Ghana. Ghana be like Europe.
So they say Ghana get like past Nigeria. So I beg, I don't know say if it be true. If you think it be true, put your comment down below. So if you go Ghana for night, it dey like US. If you go Nigeria for night, it dey like you see for Nigerian movie where we dey watch, they say go to the evil forest and bring the teeth, the green teeth of an elephant, or the crocodile in virgin egg that was pregnant. Or anyway, what do I know? So that be how I see am. So if you go Nigeria, that be how Nigeria did like evil forest for night. But if you come Ghana, Ghana did like US in the night. So anyway, maybe me I talk I mean I don't even see am. Still on still. So just put down your comment if you think that's true or not. Maybe small thing, Anyway, maybe me attack still on sealed. Oh yeah. So just put down your comment down below. You know what time it is, man. So finally, now they go check online. As you see your man, our main man, Shatta. My main man, we fearless man. He talk anything they like. The new Rolls Royce where you go buy there. He take drive come on that area inside. So one of my friends, they just go stand. So one mommy water can fly past. You see, some car they pass for there. We don't know, say, it be your man that too. We just despite the car inside. Say, wow. Imagine, say, God just give me like 4 billion US billion zillion dollars. I will take go buy this Rolls Royce first. Take the one side. I will first carry like 5 different, like 10 a shower for the back. Oh yeah, make una watch the video.
My guy.
Like,
Don't be Shatta that.
oh my God. But Jupiter.
For life.
You sure?
For life.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't. Where's your minimum?
For life. For life. For life. For life. For life.
Hey.
For life.
I don't know. I mean.
God bless Wale. God bless Wale. God bless Wale.
Hey, boy.
Your man can't show them pam. And I say they spray 5 CD. At least that one they help we. You know what time it is, man? Even as I never carry some. If I see I will carry them. They wine, they play. Okay. So we just deal. I can't see some woman. I don't know where they go catch this woman from. They sell tramadol, Refnol, maybe Epinol, HIV no, Madingo, Abafrit, Adonko, Azonto, Mosita all those things where if you just take calm, by the time you know smoke will come out from your ears, the eyes in fact if you blow speed like this, speed nothing they come up. So if you don't bam, any woman where you go meet, you go kill her, you go there for like 365 days. You know will come out from the woman body. So make people watch and see what this woman go do with Tramadol, Revnol, Mamadol.
Yigum, so when yigum. When Tramon in 1 fee. What a man yigum. Money with the money. I call her neighbor. No, I quite a phone. Now we go Korean as a day. Dabi na mo no.
no dey share ne sunu ne hwamo.
Na mega ye no ai. We na share. We na share made ne mo no.
Kofi Jai, let us do it. 1 year. Yes.
Dabi jina.
Anyway, what do I know? I mean, I don't see him. Yeah. So please don't forget to put down your comment below. Like, subscribe, share with your family people and your village people, even your friends, even your enemies. You know what time it is, man. Peace.